Hello mga kabanding! Ang saya ko na naman kasi this weekend I'm going to spend time here in Kapati Farm. Ang ganda! Ay! Alam niyo talagang ang saya-saya ko pag nasa gitna ako ng nature, ng mga trees, ng fresh air. And what's special about this farm is that this is a pottery farm. And we will know more about it kapag nakausap na natin ang ating teacher, ang ating master potter. Master potter, no, my dear friend, an artist, a very good person, Pablo Kapati. We are here in Kapati Farm. Bond with me!
I've been doing this for full-time potter 2003, July. So more than 2 decades. And I live in our family farm here in San Jose, Batangas, which is befitting because it's really conducive to making pottery. 1989, we moved to Japan, and there was this person in the pottery studio making stuff on the wheel, and it just seemed so effortless. It seemed so magical.
I was like 13 years old in Kobe, and it was in a ceramics class in international school. I tried it, and everything just fell apart. Just collapsed.
You had to learn hand building. That's how I got started, and that's how it kind of sucked me in.
So lots of trial and error. Then eventually it just clicks, and it becomes second nature and easier, much easier when your hands are the best tools.
I'm Pablo Luis K. Kapati III. Welcome to my pottery world.
Andito tayo ngayon sa main hallway or entrance hallway ng main house. And dito, nakikita nyo talaga surrounded tayo by nature. Nature is around us and within us. Mga ganyang arte. Lahat ng clarity at healing at reset. Nagsisimula yan sa nature. Totoo.
Hello!
Eee! Totoo ang chismis. Guwapo po si Pablo.
Daily more coffee. It's still coffee season pa rin eh.
Oo.
So yung red berries na yan, yung parang small round red, yung may
Yes.
those are coffee beans.
Yun.
Yeah,
Yun. Yeah.
very good.
Coffee?
Yeah. Mag-wave ka naman. Yes. Mamaya na tayo mag-interviewhan.
Tinanim namin na yung kape, na Liberica.
Oh, wow.
Mga 2,000 plants yan para may roasting na.
Bahagi kami, buhay.
But this is already serious, ha? It's ongoing seriously in your minds.
This is serious.
Alright. O, sige.
Like, there's a website.
Right.
You
Okay.
talk to my son's the one handling the website.
Okay.
He's helping me out eh.
Okay.
So siya yung then people are booking na, people have been here. So, tuloy-tuloy na. So far, like all the workshops, halos puno.
So this is the studio now. Hi, Kuya. And you know, this place is more beautiful because of him. Oh, inuuna yung kalandian. Inuuna yung kalandian. Yeah. Ang ganda-ganda.
Ang ganda-ganda.
Nice na, bebe.
Yeah.
So come and visit here at Kapati Farm. You can go to their website, their Instagram, Paburo Pots, Kapati Farm, and you will know more about the details of their upcoming activities and invitations. They're open very, very soon.
Little need some makeup. Gonna start working on it and fire it in November. So this
God
is a wood kiln naman, Anagama wood kiln. So ito yung sinasabi ko.
Yung mga film sa Japan.
Ayan na. Magandang umaga! Ano naman ang almusal kung walang saging? Potassium, I love it. Uy! Nagpadilis at sinangag! Woohoo! Fruits. Thank you! Hello! Magandang umaga, Noy. Ayan si Noy. Istorbohin natin siya. Sandali. Noy, ano ginagawa mo?
Nagtitrim po ako. Nagtitrim ako ng mga plato.
Ito, electric yung inaapakan mo. Nakasaksak. Ayoko siya istorbohin kasi baka mahiwa niya yung sarili niya. Masisipa. 2 seconds lang, Noy.
Okay lang.
2 seconds
Hindi ko
lang.
nakakaiwan eh.
Okay. Oo nga. Hindi pala nakakahiwa yun na. Noy, matagal ka nang into pottery.
Mga 15 years na.
15 years. Pero syempre, nung simula, hindi ka naman ganyan kagaling, di ba?
Kailangan mo talaga practice.
Practice,
Para
yes.
magaling ka.
Oo, at saka tamang teacher, no?
Good, damn teacher.
Ayan. Kasi kung halimbawa, nag-practice ka, tapos mali pala ipinapractice mo.
Mali yung tinuro sa'yo.
Mali yung tinuro sa'yo.
Hindi ka gagaling.
Correct. Akala mo lang.
Lahat ng nagawa ko nito, kailangan mo siya i-practice. Pag-wedge ng clay, center, para magawa mo na ito. Yun. Kaya, naabot ko to. Kaya natuto ako ng ganito.
Sa tingin mo, ano dapat ang ugali na dapat meron ka kung gusto mong maging excellent dito sa paggawa ng ceramic?
Kailangan focus ka lang sa ginagawa mo. Tapos, kailangan samahan din ng sipag, syempre.
Tama. Focus, sipag, tsaka gusto mo. Tsaka yung pagising mo palang ando na agad yung utak mo, no?
Dapat naintindihan mo rin yung ginagawa mo. Kasi ako dati, naggagawa lang ako. Pagka naintindihan mo na siya, dun magugustuhan mo na.
Na-unlock mo sa sarili mo, ay yun pala yun. Kaya pala ganun. At hindi mo yun mararating kung hindi ka nag-focus. Tama?
Tama.
Isa pa, ang ganda kasi ng environment nyo eh. Nasa gitna rin kayo ng katahimikan, kapayapaan.
Wala yung storbo.
Wala istorbo. Nagpaparinig na siya. Ako na yata yun. Ako na yata istorbo. Lalayo na ako. Pablo, thank you for accommodating me for this weekend. This is the weekend before I totally immerse myself into this play I'm going to do for 3 months.
Yeah,
Ang
Candice.
gabay sa septic tank.
Sabi nga ni Candice
Yes.
daw, wow.
So this is the perfect place to, alam mo yon yung, sige,
Inhale.
inhale, exhale. This is such a magical place that you share with us. Pinaka-importante kasi, please take advantage. Ino-open niya na yung place na to for the intention na gusto niyang i-share yung knowledge niya sa paggawa ng tamang paraan ng ceramic art. Am I correct?
Nakakaya naman.
Nakakahiya. Hindi, ako lang yon. Ako lang yon.
Nakakaya naman.
Sa kanya, it's all just plain sharing the experience, the knowledge, and most especially, yung talent niya, yun lang yun.
Song and dance.
Hindi ko
Hindi
na...
pala ako yun, hindi ako yun.
Please welcome Gary Valenciano. Ay, hindi pala si Pablo. This is Kapati Farm. This used to be a very manicured farm. But of course, during the years na siguro hindi pa tayo lahat aware, but we are trying to attract all generations, especially now that ceramic art, going to the basic, appreciating what we have, is resurfacing, correct?
Yes, yes. Parang ano, getting in touch with nature once again.
Actually, yun eh. Yun.
Simple life.
Yun. Yun yung pinapa-experience ni Pablo dito sa farm, dito sa kung saan siya nagtayo ng kanyang workshop studio. It's not only learning how to do the ceramic art, but also getting in touch, connecting yourself with nature. Tama ba?
Parang ano, reconnecting your inner soul. Diba?
Uy, alam nyo, dig na dig nyo yan. Lahat ng generation ko, mga generation ngayon na parang, if you're at a loss, yung bakit I cannot explain what I'm feeling. Huwag na kayong pumunta sa mga chemical. Punta kayo sa natural.
Nature is therapy.
Oh.
Yun lang yun.
Ganun lang.
Yun lang yun.
Palusot
Nature-
lang.
Nature is therapy. Diba?
But they have a website where they can actually read all about what you're offering now.
It's about Pabura Pots kasi, diba? That's how the workshop evolved. And now that we have a more of a systematic website, so we have some programs that we want to share. It's still we just started 2 months ago. So very fresh, so we're still very limited what we have to offer for now, but it's a growing concept.
Right.
And as our students grow, the program grows also.
Parang in progress. Kasi hindi naman tayo pwedeng papasok sa isang bagay tapos flop. We have to feel it, diba? And then we have to commit some, ganito pala. So we will improve all together. Ganun naman yun eh.
It's like also like building a like-minded community.
Like,
Like-minded community.
ayan na.
Diba?
Kailangan may talino
Lumalabas
eh.
yung pagkastito, teacher.
Ayun nga pala sasabihin ko sa inyo, di ba parang ang charming niya, ang gwapo niya,
Parang
ganyan.
lang.
Ay,
Yan.
unahan ko na kayo sa mga estudyante. Stricto po siya. Naging estudyante ako for 1 afternoon. Hindi ko siya nakilala. Pero natuto ako. Nagkaroon ako ng confidence na galing sa akin.
Ayun. Touch
Yeah.
naman ako doon.
Yan lang.
Thank you.
Feel free to...
Ask questions,
Yes.
inquiries. We're open to ideas naman eh. Kasi it's a growing concept. But of course, we have to see if we're capable of being able to do it at an excellent level.
Realistic naman tayo. But what we can offer is... It's already opening, right? If you go to their farm, they're open. They have a shop here. Like, maganda lang yung pagkaka-present. Tsaka hindi masyadong mahal. Pero mamamasahe kayo, ah. Siyempre, maririnig mo lang manok, ibon, hangin. tunog ng mga dahon. Nasa gitna kasi kayo ng kagubatan. May batis doon pero hindi natin mapupuntahan. I mean, kung gusto niya ng experience, yung experience talaga na out of the city, ingay ng syudad na sabi nga nila, nakakasanayan mo na, baka hindi ka aware na meron kang pwedeng mapuntahan na tahimik. Tapos, trip mo pang gumawa ng pottery, ng ceramic art. Ito na, paburopots.com. Paburo himself. Thank you, Pablo.
Thank you so much.
I love you. My dear friend is here. Binanding namin to. Oh my God. Nagustuhan mo dito? Kailangan naming mag-hug. Si Mercedes, si Chedeng ay artist yan. So sabi ko, punta ka sa Kapati Farm and get to know the master potter.
Yes, grabe, sobrang ganda dito.
Yeah, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. Nakagawa na ako ng isa.
Ang galing mo talaga, Diyos ko.
Na-miss ko gumawa talaga. Sa
We,
cake
gawa mo
wheel.
yan?
Oo.
Bakit parang professional na?
Grabe naman. Hindi pa nga siya masyado pantay eh. Pero na-miss ko
Pero
gumawa.
unique, dahil ikaw
at
yan.
least, diba?
Tsaka parang hindi siya masisira. Nung kami gumawa dito, parang hindi pumasa. Ganda!
Oo, ang ganda ng studio nila, sobra. Saka ang saya na kick wheel siya. Kasi
Oo.
dyan ako
Na-addict na.
Kasi mas